Being a digital product agency is amazing. As an agency, we get unique access to rooms many people never see. We're invited to conversations with the C-suite, investors, boards, anyone with power, where those strategic decisions made behind closed doors are changing the world. This is where true innovation takes place, all the way at the top. Okay, so maybe it's not like that. Maybe it's a little bit more like this. Or like this. And none of this is flashy. What's interesting is as a digital product agency and a partner with these organizations, we do often get access. We get invited to the C-suite. We get to talk to investors. And sometimes we do close the door, but more so that our kids don't walk into our Zoom calls. So most of us don't even realize the access that we have. You might be a designer and you're getting an opportunity to sit down with real potential users or real potential customers or your existing customers to get feedback on your designs. Or you're a developer or a data scientist and you actually see how people are using your existing product. You have access that others don't have. You're part of conversations that even the C-suite isn't a part of yet. So what do you do with that insight? You've got two options. One, nothing. You just don't take advantage of the fact that you had that access and that you have that insight. You just do nothing. Or two, you go solve meaningful problems with it. You go actually make real change. And finally, how does this enable more access? Well, if you're solving meaningful problems, it's going to open doors. It's going to give you access that you never thought that you would have, even greater than the access that you already had. You'll be able to step into conversations that you can actually show value and impact in a way that you never thought possible. Early on, Crema didn't have access. We weren't qualified to be in some of the rooms that we were in. But because we were a digital product agency, we had this position where we were stepping in and sometimes pretending that we were qualified to be in the room. But as we had that access, as we gained insight from the experience, we were able to take that to the next situation. And we got better at it each time. We got greater access. We were able to have more meaningful conversations. And really, our experience grew to the point where now we're able to serve clients all over the world. You have more insight than you're aware of. The question is, what are you going to do with that access, with that insight?